Hello guys, Game Changers back again, bringing you another video on how to get modded games and apps, 100% free, no jailbreak or PC, tons of modded games, so let's get into this. So yeah, as I said, there's tons of modded games. You can get tweaked apps from this method and so on. Link will be in the description. It might be a Royal Earls link, may not, depending on how I'm feeling, as I get paid on Monday, my first wage. So I want to thank you all for the amount of support you've been giving me by using those links, and it really means a lot. So yeah, Zestia Step, maybe you've heard about it, maybe you haven't. It's my first time actually using this app. I actually like the setup. There's tons of ads though, and I seem to have a bit of a glitch on the application pages, which you'll see now. But as soon as I tap to where I've seen an app, it'll the app reappears. It's pretty strange, but yeah. So you want to wait for it to compare and load the best resources. There is, as you can see, there's tons of modded games, modded and hacked, unlimited coins, unlimited everything pretty much. Pokemon Go, PubG hacks, Injustice 2, all the GTAs. There's more than one PubG hack on here. There's tons of everything on this, guys, and I am being serious. So I'm just going to randomly download on 8-Ball Pool. Used to be one of my favourite games to play, so I'll just download this. Install. So if I'm correct, this one should have unlimited guidelines. I am going to play like the first couple of seconds of one of these games I download, but I'm not going to show you the hack and show the hack off, because I haven't really got that much memory on my phone at the moment to be able to record all that separately. But I can 100% promise and guarantee that these work, and if they don't, just comment down below and I'll get in touch with the creators of this and see what they can do to sort it out and fix it, pretty much. But yeah, Injustice 2, as you can see, they had Sims, Clash Royale, Darkness Rises, all the GTAs, Modern Combat, Farming Simulator, Tap Titans, Dungeon Age, Hungry Shack. Download Hungry Shack as well. But there are absolutely tons of different apps. So once you've downloaded, you will have to go to settings, and then general, and then profile and device management, and then you'll click on the bottom ones and you'll find one where you will have to trust the app. As soon as you've trusted the app, you go back to it and it will open up as so. And this is the part where I basically show you the app working pretty much with the hack installed. That's pretty much it. I'm going to leave it here, guys. Remember, links down in the description. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
These games I'm playing, killing every shitty rapper, motherfucker slam. Let them all know I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Yeah. Right now. Yeah. On my grind all day. Rap so good, but I get so paid. I ain't from the hood, but I've had bad days, so I smoke all day to avoid all the pain. Management said I should sound OG.
Right about the time your homie OD. Here, we bought you a whole bag of weed, so you could sell loud and sound so motherfucking
goddamn high. All I do is smoke and I write these lines. Schooling good grades where I fell behind. Picking up the piece of paying back my time. Do I really wanna get this high? Do I really wanna write these rhymes? Do I really wanna be a fucking sellout? Do I really wanna take that route? Hell nah, I'm just paying my dues. Getting that check so I can out on dues. Gotta get paid so I can pay my rent. So let me get a snapback, a chain, let me get it right now. Right now.